Good evening, everybody. I've got a lot of ground to cover over the next 3.5 minutes, so we'll get right to the graphics. We're going to start with Hurricane Laura. It is a Category 1 right now, sitting out here in the very warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico. Winds are at 85 miles per hour. Here's the track of this thing, expected to strengthen to a Category 2, maybe a Category 3. A Category 3, 4, and 5 are considered major strength hurricanes here. This should be coming ashore somewhere late Wednesday night into early Thursday morning, somewhere in extreme southeast Texas, up here around Port Arthur, it looks like. Life-threatening flash flooding, 6 to 10 inches of rain, a storm surge that could top 10 feet in some areas. That's that push of water as this thing comes ashore. Not to mention, as a Category 3, we're talking a minimum of 110, 111 mile per hour winds or stronger, plus higher gusts. You can see it will eventually strengthen, and it'll be picked up by the westerlies and be pushed in and carried into the lower Ohio Valley with lots of rain there. So there's a lot more to that particular system. The track, the strength could change. I have a complete story posted with graphics on that system if you go to fox17online.com. For us, hot and humid the next couple of days. Strong to severe thunderstorms possible Thursday and Thursday night. Maybe some heavy rain for us on Friday as well. That's okay. We could use some of that. It's been very dry out there and cooler, more comfortable by the time we get into the weekend. Nothing on radar right now. We're going to be dry here for the next several hours. Our current temperatures have us in the low to mid 70s, and we've lost a little bit of the humidity. We were up around a 70-degree dew point temperature yesterday. They've come down, but once the warm front lifts through here by tomorrow afternoon, these are going to likely surge to around 70, 72 degrees. So there is more heat and humidity on the way for both Wednesday and Thursday. Satellite and radar over the last 6 hours. There's a warm front sitting out here. I expect more shower and thunderstorm development here into our area that may lift through into and through the area later tonight and into the first part of tomorrow, especially if you're from Grand Rapids off to the north and east. That will be the best bet. Our southern counties could get in on it, but the better chance is going to be along and northeast of 96. Tomorrow, we're up around 92 degrees. We'll start with the chance of a shower or thunderstorm around the area, but this sky is indicative of the afternoon. We'll see some sunshine. It's going to be hot and humid. It may be 92 degrees, but the actual feels like temperature will be warmer than that with a south-southwest wind at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Out on Lake Michigan, we'll have waves build at about 2 to 4 feet from Grand Haven northward. So that is a moderate beach hazard risk. Everybody else is about a 1 to 3 foot chop out there. Small craft advisories will go into effect tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. Here's what it looks like on the weather map. 6 a.m. There's the warm front right here. It's along that warm front that may spawn a few showers and thunderstorms late tonight into tomorrow, especially north and east of Grand Rapids. The front lifts through. The hot, humid air just continue to pour in here. So tomorrow is going to be obviously very sticky. As we get into Thursday, Thursday starts very sticky. We'll end that way as well. But as this front sags in here later on Thursday, that'll be the focal point for maybe more shower and thunderstorm activity. And then another low pressure system is going to be coming in here on Friday that'll deliver even more rain, more thunderstorms. Here's the severe weather outlook. That's a slight risk for us for both Thursday and Thursday night. So we'll have to watch out for some of those storms. How much rainfall are we talking about? The first wave late tonight and tomorrow won't be that much, but it's the other collectively amounts of rain that will get us maybe 1 to 2 inches. This is off our GFS model. Our European model, and the other forecast model we use, the GFS model. Again, we're looking for consistency here. A good solid 1 to 2 inches is certainly on the table and possible for us by the time we get into early Saturday. This really doesn't have a whole lot to do with that tropical system, that Hurricane Laura. That's going to stay further to the south over the lower Ohio Valley, but again, the potential for a lot of rain there is possible for us as well. 92 tomorrow, 90 on Thursday. Thursday night into Friday, there could be some strong to severe thunderstorms. Off and on, rain and thunderstorms on Friday. Cooler temperatures, about 85 there. Some of that may go into early Saturday, and then we're in the 70s for the beginning of next week. Far more comfortable. 80 is still our normal high for this time of the year. Derek, Janice?